What we have right here is the Synchrony Home Credit Card. So, this credit card promises special financing, but is it still a smart choice in 2025? So, let's discuss its pros. Its pros is that it has a zero yearly cost, keeps this card budget friendly. It also has a deferred interest promos, which goes up to 60 months of no interest if paid in full by the end of the term. It has a retailer specific perks. It has extra discounts or financing at partnered stores. Its cons is that it has a pretty high APR, which is 29.99%, which means that if you miss a promo deadline, interest backdates to day one. It is only accepted at Synchrony partnered retailers, not a general purpose cards. Another cons for this is that it has no rewards, which means 0% cashback, points, or sign up bonuses. The final verdict for this is that the Synchrony Home Credit Card is a niche tool, great for planned, short term financing, but dangerous if misused. If you're disciplined, it can help. If not, steer clear. So, you should get this if you're making a big purchase at a partnered retailer. And if you're 100% confident you can pay it off before the promo ends.